mean, these 2 days are something which will never get out of my memory. I think they've been amazing.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I want you to know I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. Come on, standing on a rocking boat. I just wanna stay afloat. I'm all alone. Now, someone come and take me home. Somewhere I can rest my soul. I need you to know I won't let go.
मैं तो वही पार्टी करने आया हूँ. शादी तो ऐसी होगी.
We always had this thing, we were all very pumped up by people saying, बन्नी की शादी दिल्ली में नहीं होगी, बन्नी की शादी दिल्ली में नहीं होगी. And I think all forces came together and it didn't happen in Delhi, and it happened in Bangkok.
All the people who were invited for Bangkok, rather I pushed for Bangkok, were the people who are very close to me. If you see the entire wedding, the photographs, my hugging people, things like that, that is all genuine. There is no pretense at all.
What's better than being in Bangkok and this beautiful skyline and, you know, seeing my brother getting married here.
So I met Abhimanyu, I think a year back.
I think it was a Wednesday or a Thursday, I don't know what. Me being a good boy, after showing a little bit of resentment and a little bit of resistance, I said, अच्छा ठीक है चलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है.
We had no hint that he was going to meet her.
I think after the 8th meeting, she just one day turned around and point blank asked me, are you up for this or not?
And I was pretty sure. In fact, he wasn't really sure, he was really skeptical. And he said, if you are sure, let's go ahead. I had this gut feeling that you're the right person.
She's been the hardest girl who I have never managed to impress. Maybe because she does this, because the day she actually says it, I'll stop trying.
You feel very special. Abhimanyu makes me feel very special, and I really hope I can do the same.
Divya is just a gift of destiny. We've never known each other.
She is exactly what we wanted, and we are blessed truly to have her in our family.
It was written somewhere.
She is someone who I can really bond with, and I have bonded with her really well.
He takes care of me like a baby. And I'm not used to it because I am the elder sibling.
जिन से पैदा हुई है
हमारी
जिंदगी बदल गई है.
हमारी बेटी भी है, बेटा भी है. जो काम बेटे करते हैं वो दिव्या भी करती है.
I'm not exactly leaving my friends, but family, yes. I'm going to really miss them. And you know, there are going to be times when I'll be enjoying and everything, but my parents, I can see it that they're going to miss me so much.
हमने जैसे पाला है उसे, हमारे सामने बड़ी हुई है, अब थोड़ा सा दर्द हो।
Something very emotional that it's very difficult for the person who has got his daughter and give it to us. I feel very honored.
Mahima is the sort of person who's always looked over my shoulder.
Abhimanyu has been like a father to her.
I can't move without her.
I want that bond to stay and I want to make it stronger.
You called me out from the other side. You held my hand. You watched me fly. Oh, 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 oh. A golden voice said to me, try to stand, don't try to flee. Oh, 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 but it's okay. I'll wait for another day.
Bunny as a person is a very, very cheerful, warm, clean soul.
I know he really draws attention. I felt for him when I saw him.
As a person, you can really depend on him.
Mahima and Abhimanyu, they both love to party, and I never saw or never thought that he could dance.
He's all over the place. I'm like, okay.
But the way he danced at his own wedding, I was pretty taken aback.
Everybody gets so happy to look at him. It's like he's such a fun person.
But it's okay. I found my way.
Marriage is the meeting of two human beings who have to understand each other. And then this bond has to be nurtured, and nurtured in such a way that you cherish every bit of it.
I'm letting things happen to me. I'm not chasing them.